Lotto baby, I'm doing this thing. So like, comment, share. So there's fuckers like 11 and we're doing a thing. So like, comment, share, tell me thing. Alright, let's get it. Turn shit on. Body of a goddess, eyes of an angel. Oh my god, girl, you straight perfection too, man. I wanna hold you tight and grip on your thighs and kiss on your belly, right? I wanna have a couple babies with you. You are perfect, this girl in this world is true. I know you ain't had sex, man, I don't need to. But girl, just to call you mine will make me smile too. Damn, just to call you mine and take you out on dates and show you up to the world. That's all I appreciate. The good things you do, the things I do for you. I promise I'd get you out of college, make you smooth. I make you do things that no other girls do. I'd make you happy, I promise, girl, I ain't like them too. I don't give a fuck about the sex or body. I just want a heart and someone to love somebody. I want a royal girl, I want a down the world. A girl's down for me, you know it is you too. I don't want nobody else who play me like a fool. I had too many of them, hell no, I don't cool. I think about my past and all the shit that happened and how these bitches play me like I was rapping. I said, what the fuck, I ain't no toy. You ain't gonna use me in and then throw me away. Fuck no, you got the wrong nigga, Joe. I would take you out to the nice places. I would buy you a nice car and a nice crib. It's just to have a couple kids and we would do it. I promise we don't gotta think about the haters, because that means we're perfect, baby, we for each other. And these bitches don't know what to do when they see me on with you on Instagram too. We gonna post pics up on the book and Twitter and Instagram and get hella likes, because that's what you. And I promise it's about you, girl, only want you 100. These emojis can't describe my love for you. I promise I would be the best thing you had too. I wouldn't give a fuck about haters, man, fuck them too. I'm a real ass nigga. What you wanna do? I wanna be your man, you're a more. Your vida, you're a boo, your bae, and so much more. I could be the best thing in your fucking past. I ain't leaving, girl, unless you leaving fast. Man, I ain't with the shit, I only love the shit. I'm gonna kill ass nigga, but I'm love your shit. I be on my little game, and nigga ain't cool. The only games I play is Nintendo 64 and the Wii, PS4. I don't play with Hot Show. It just ain't for me. It's just all these niggas out here doing their thing, think it's just crazy, and just think what the fuck y'all niggas doing. But man, girl, I promise I got you. Take you anywhere that you wanna go. I take you to Paris, England, France, we going, Joe. We going across the world. I wanna travel, babe. I wanna be your husband, your babe. I just wanna show you that I got loyalty. And I ain't like these other niggas out in these streets. I'm real ass nigga, babe, trust me. I promise I'ma always be there from the beginning, babe. And I ain't never going nowhere. Hell no. Shawty, you know I got you. Make me smile, make me think about all the things I did. You just know how to make a nigga cheer up.